G'day, I'm Aussie Mark. Thanks very much for stopping by. In today's video, I'd like to offer you a chance to promote your channel. This is not about me, but about helping you, my subscribers, to get a little bit better known by appearing at the end of my video. It's an idea that I must confess that I actually did pinch from somebody else because, hey, I thought, what a great idea, getting your subscribers a bit of a hand up. And so the idea is that if you like, and if you're the sort of person who wants to talk to camera, then you just make a little video that I'm going to pop at the end of mine. And really all I'm asking for you to do is to say, thanks for watching Aussie Mark's videos. I'm Joe Blogs or whoever. I make videos about whatever it is that you make videos about. And I'm a subscriber of Aussie Mark's. Thanks for being here. If you haven't subscribed to him, please do so. And thanks for watching. The link to my channel is down in the description below. So just say something like that, and then you post your video as a unlisted video. Send me the link, and Bob's your uncle. I will grab that and I'll use that at the end of one or more than one of my videos. And every time I use it, your link will appear in the description down at the bottom of my video. So if you're not sure how to upload an unlisted video, there's a couple of ways you can do it. So obviously we're here at the upload page in YouTube, and if you are uploading a video, before you even upload it, you can either go to this window here, and yours may well just be set to public, but you can select unlisted and then it will automatically upload as an unlisted video. The other way, I usually upload mine as private so that I can then make some adjustments before I change it to public. So I'll go ahead and upload a quick video. So I'm going to upload this one here. So I'll just throw that in there. And while that's uploading, here's the other way that you can add it to change it. So once you've started the upload, this is the window here. As you can see, mine says private. But again, you just click the drop-down menu, select unlisted, and it'll become an unlisted video. Now, this is just processing quickly. I'm going to leave that as unlisted there so you can see how it works. And that's processed just about any second now. 95% done, and that's done. So in order to send it to me, you just either grab this link, or you can send me that link there simply by cutting and pasting, or if you want to go to the video itself and then grab the URL, you can grab this one here, just copy that. Then for messaging, those of you who haven't messaged before or used the messenger on YouTube, and I know most of you have, but there will be a few people who haven't, you just go to my channel, which is here, and then you click on the About page, and this works for everybody, not just me, of course. Click on the About page and you'll come to this page here, and then you can click Send Message, or in my case, I've actually got my email address written there as well. If you click Send Message, just right click on your mouse, paste your link in and send it to me, and then I'll get it that way. Then I can download it, add it to the end of some of my videos. So, simple idea. Doesn't take you long to film a video. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just talk to camera, say hi, and thank them for watching my video, but also promote yourself. Tell them a bit about what you do, and that your link will be in the description. I hope that helps you. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.